I am going to make a working model of a car. First of all, let me introduce you to some important materials in making this car. This is a 9 volt battery. This is a battery connector. This is a propeller from an old helicopter. This is an on and off switch from an old car. This is a high-speed DC motor. This is some wheels from an old car. I have 2 pieces of straws here. The rest of the things I will introduce to you while we do the project. These are the 3 main parts of the car. As you can see the measurements, please take it and cut it out. First of all, to make our car look beautiful, I am going to paint this place with black. Friends, now I have finished painting. Now let's assemble it. So first we are going to add some glue over here. And we are going to stick it right here. Now we are going to take this piece and apply some glue over here. And then put this piece over here. Now take the 2 pieces of straw and stick it at the bottom. Now take the next piece of straw . And stick it over here. Now let's add the wheels. Now let's stick the motor. Fix the propeller over here. Let's take the battery connector and we must take this black wire and put it over here. And then let's bend it and twist it. Now take the red wire and put it in the middle hole of the switch. Now let's take a piece of wire. Here I have taken a blue wire. Let's now attach it to the end slot of the switch and then to the other side of the motor. Actually, you need a single wire, but I did not have a lengthy wire, so I joined two small wires and did like this. Now let's stick the switch. Let's stick the battery here. Now I'm covering the battery like this, just to make a look of fashion. Now after doing all the connections, you must connect the battery cover into the battery. Now friends, to do some finishing touches, you can put a soldering iron on the joint. Friends, our car is ready and I'm excited to do our test drive. So friends, let's give a try to our car. As per your ideas, you can put a car cover on top of this to hide all the battery cover and the motors. Please check out the description box for all the details. Hope you all like this video. Please like and share this video, and if you haven't still subscribed yet, please subscribe and click the bell icon and all options. Bye bye. Thank you.